To get started using Selenium in Python, visit this website, link is in the description, and copy this install manager code pip install WebDriver manager over here and run it. Next, we want Selenium 4, so copy paste this over here and run it. Next, visit this website, Selectors Hub XPath Helper. We will be using this for a lot of our tutorials. To practice coding, we will be using this website. Here is our required libraries. We will use driver WebDriver.Chrome, and then we will get this web page. Implicitly wait means we will wait up to 1 second for the link to occur, but we can always run it earlier. Next, we will ask driver to find all the elements by tag name, that is list items. So you click this, more tools, developer tools, and then our selector hub is right over here. Run this code. It will take a while. Since we were waiting up to 1 second for each list item, this code is checking all list items for the link that is dynamic loading. We are telling Selenium to automatically click the link with the text dynamic loading. We can see right here we have 44 list items. If you look for list items in here, notice that we have 44 matching elements on this web page, which should match 44 elements over here. If we run this page, we will go to the dynamic loading page, and we will look for all the links and print them out over here.